Hi everyone, it's Sarah Rocco here in Fernandina Beach. Boy, I have a beautiful home for you. I'm so excited to show you. It's a gorgeous condo, walking distance to the beach. Take a look. Welcome to the island. Here in Fernandina Beach, every day begins with a peaceful sunrise over the Atlantic Ocean and ends with a vibrant night out on the town. When you walk into this home, you will be greeted by the 10-foot ceilings, open floor plan, and neutral aesthetics throughout, making this condo feel larger than life. The living area has custom bookshelves and a fireplace. The dining area is separated by a half wall, still leaving the area to feel as open as the rest. The large windows and patio door bring in most of the condo's superb natural lighting. The kitchen features black granite countertops, custom cabinets, and a chef's kitchen. The master suite is bright and spacious with a side door leading out to the patio area. In the master bathroom, you will find a double vanity, a jetted garden tub, and a separate shower. There is private and secure underground parking with 2 spaces for this particular unit. Just steps away is Main Beach Park, where you can find green space, many activities, and restaurants for a great quality of life. Take a walk on the endless boardwalks or relax in the sand. The outdoor lifestyle here is simply endless. A few blocks away is downtown Fernandina and Fernandina Harbor Marina. Center Street has all the charming shops and restaurants that you will absolutely love. It's truly a beautiful place to walk around during sunset or in the evenings. I certainly hope that you enjoyed seeing all that Fernandina Beach has to offer and the lifestyle of this particular unit. Please let me know if myself or my team can help give you a private tour.